Hello, my name is David Senator, a member of the SOLIDWORKS product definition team at Dassault Systèmes, and I'm here to show you one of the enhancements coming to SOLIDWORKS 2024, a symmetric bidirectional pattern for linear patterns. This enhancement was first proposed in the Top 10 List 2022 3D Experience World, then posted as an idea in the SOLIDWORKS Enhancement Ideas community. You can find this enhancement in the Linear Pattern Property Manager, so we can go ahead and create a linear pattern, then make a pattern, and now if we drop down on direction 2, we see we now have this symmetric option. If we check that, a symmetric pattern of the Cut Extrude To feature is created. Note that when this box is checked, the other parameters for direction 2 will become hidden. Thank you.